In this video, we'll show you how to fix controller not working in Steam. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if your controller not working on Steam, it could be due to connection issues, Steam settings, or driver problems. And here I'll show you how to fix that. So first, make sure your controller is properly connected. If it's wired, check the cable and USB port. If it's wireless, confirm Bluetooth is on and your controller is paired. Now to check it, you can go to the start menu and type in setup USB game controllers. So it's going to be this one. Open it up. Now here, make sure your controller is on the list. If it's not, then the problem is the controller itself, not Steam. You can try connecting to Bluetooth if you're using cable now and vice versa. You're going to click properties. Here, make sure you can move around, click the buttons and stuff. And then after you're sure that your controller is working, you can click OK, hit OK again, and we're going to fix it on Steam. Go to the top left, hit Steam, and then you want to go to settings. From here on the left tab, go to the controller tab, and here at the top, you'll see your controller name. Mine is DualSense wireless controller. So if you hover under external gamepad settings, you'll need to install or toggle on the controller support or Steam input of your controller. So for me, it's PlayStation controller. I can set it to enable, or if you have Switch Pro controllers, you can toggle this on. For generic controllers, you can toggle this on. After you install the driver for your controller, you can restart your PC, and after that, we can test it out. So here in Steam, you want to click View and select Big Picture Mode. If your controller is working, you can move around the menu with your controller. And that's it.